Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first action. Make sure your iPhone 13 Pro is enrolled in the Apple Beta software program profile, and you have a recent backup to iCloud or Finder so you can restore if needed. Once done, plug the phone into power or confirm 50% battery, and join a reliable Wi-Fi network to avoid corruption. Now open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to trigger the beta download. Do this immediately to reserve the update slot. You will now download and install the beta. Here's how and why each step matters. Tap Download and Install. The progress bar shows the download, then Prepare stage, which verifies the package. If iOS requests your passcode or agreement to terms, complete those prompts to allow system-level changes. Once installation starts, the device will restart. Keep it on charger and do not force power off since interruptions can corrupt the beta image. Patience speeds a clean, successful update. Finish setup by following on-screen prompts, sign into Apple ID if requested, and then confirm the beta build number in Settings General about to ensure success. If the phone fails to boot or loops, connect to a Mac, use recovery mode, and restore from your backup. That solves most failures. Make sure to report issues with the Feedback app, and if a specific app misbehaves, try reinstalling it or clearing its data. Keep backups frequently to minimize risk.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.